Hi, my name is Sumaya, and today I'm going to present Centegra Healthcare System's final proposal. Our objective today is I will describe the organization's background, I will present a proposal, I will also discover product development and identify challenges. I will briefly go over the financial investment proposal and discuss the relevance of financial management in healthcare. I will also examine financial statements, financial analysis reports, and examine liabilities, cash flows, and financial positions. I will also analyze financial analysis methods such as payback, vertical, horizontal methods. I will also interpret financial management and capital management methods and discuss influences for capital investments and decision making. And finally, I will present a final proposal. Integra Health System is known for its performance in healthcare with over 500 million net patient reviews. It has a partnership with Northwestern Medicine and nearly 30 outpatient locations in McHenry and Kane counties. Clinical studies in a broad range of specialties including behavioral health, cancer care, digestive health, cardiovascular care, neuroscience, orthopedics, pediatrics, rheumatology, and transplant are all specialties included in our organization. Due to the growth and development of our organization, we are considering financing $1.5 million to purchase a magnetic resonance imaging machine, also known as an MRI machine, in addition to our pulmonary specialty center. With technology and innovation the norm today, this futuristic development is Toshiba's newest MRI machine, which features lung imaging. In the past, lung MRIs were difficult to obtain due to the physiological makeup of the lungs. This product, however, will make it possible to obtain images. This machine will also generate new perspective in the way we deliver healthcare to our patients who suffer from lung diseases such as COPD, emphysema, and various lung cancers. Financial challenges and strains play a big role in the downfall of similar healthcare entities. Centegra Health System was dealt with financial issues for 2 consecutive years. This is primarily due to clinical documentation errors and cost per click revenue, or CPC, errors in system revenue cycle and issues with pharmacy, and cost initiative financial issues were also linked to problems with labor productivity and supply chain. Why is financial management in healthcare important? Well, for starters, it allows the use of financial statements to ensure the organization is meeting standards of performance. It also controls spending by budgeting, and also it is a long-term solution to a successful organization. What are considered financial statements? Well, according to Qumran 2015, the most crucial financial statements are income statements, balance sheets, statement of stockholder equity, cash flow statements, and statement of comprehensive income. Upon analyzing the financial statement and annual report for our organization, I concluded that the total current assets in 2017 were approximately $43,088. However, in 2018, an increase of approximately $2,945 was noted, equaling to about $46,033 in total current assets. During the 2017, the total current liability equaled $30,537, yet in 2018, a slight increase occurred, which made the total current liability $31,230. Financial analysis methods include ratio analysis, vertical analysis, horizontal, and trend analysis. Ratio analysis compares performance and probability. There are 4 types of ratio analysis, which consist of liquidity ratio, probability ratio, activity ratio, and lastly, capital structure ratio. A liquidity ratio represents how fast an organization can pay its debt, which is then reflected on the current ratio section of the financial statement. Probability ratio indicates how well an organization can produce cash flow. And the last type of ratio analysis is leverage ratio, which specifies how much debt an organization consumes to function. The second type of financial analysis method is vertical analysis. It represents the percentage of an organization's current assets versus the long-term assets. This is done by converting each line into interest and dividing that by the baseline and then multiplying that by 100. This analysis is also important when an organization is calculating its performance for a certain year. The last financial analysis method is horizontal and trend analysis. These 2 methods analyze the percentage of an organization's financial statements to the previous year. This is which ultimately allows organizations to identify patterns and influx. For this proposal, I have chosen vertical analysis method to assist in identifying the percentage of the base figure. I believe this is the most effective financial analysis method because it examines patterns of change that have occurred within each item line. It is also the most simplest analysis method out of the 4, and it also assists in comparing base percentages of other organizations. It also identifies problem areas that need improvement, and also it utilizes this method will enhance the performance of our organization because it will ensure the precise percentage of each line of interest. Capital management allows us to examine our current state and regulate our goals in terms of investments, purchasing, and paying for services. The formula is net working capital equals current assets subtracted by the current liabilities. Capital investments and decision-making are essential in furthering a company's objective. Organizations also rely on capital investment decision methods such as payback, net present value, internal rate of return, and financial decision-making. It also provides options for companies depending on the capital investment and the company is seeking. Upon analyzing financial statements and financial analysis reports, I have concluded that Centegra Health System is to keep spending under control and consider similar grade MRI machine to provide high quality services to pulmonary patients.